Have you been hearing rumors about a massive 2026 deadline for website accessibility? Maybe you've seen some scary headlines telling you that your business is about to get sued if you aren't compliant by next year. If you're a coach, a special needs parent, blogger, or a content creator, take a deep breath. Today, I'm going to cut through the fear mongering and tell you exactly what the new rules mean for you. And I'm going to give you 5 simple things that you can do right now to protect your site without rebuilding it from scratch. Let's get started. First, let's clear up the confusion. The 2026 deadline everyone is talking about is specifically updating rules for government websites under Title II of the ADA. That means schools, town halls, and federal agencies. Does that mean that private businesses are off the hook? No, not at all. Private businesses fall under Title III, which prohibits discrimination in places of public accommodation. And yes, courts increasingly agree that websites count as public places. But the deadline isn't the headline here, accessibility is. Think of it this way. Accessibility isn't just about avoiding a lawsuit. It's about not locking potential clients out of your business. If a parent with a visual impairment can't read your coaching offer, or a deaf user can't watch your welcome video, you're leaving money and impact on the table. Now, here's the good news. You don't need to spend thousands. If this is new to you, WCAG stands for the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. This is the internationally recognized set of rules for making websites usable by people with disabilities. Start with these 5 high-impact areas from the WCAG standards, the big 5 that address the most common barriers. Number 1, captions on all videos and transcripts for podcasts. Number 2, alt text descriptions for every image on your site. This is short text that screen readers read aloud to describe the image. Number 3, make sure your site works with just a keyboard, no mouse required. Number 4, use high contrast colors so text stands out clearly against backgrounds. And number 5, clearly label every field on your contact forms. You don't need to be a tech wizard to be inclusive. Start with these 5 steps and you're already ahead of the curve. I've linked a free accessibility checklist in the description below to help you walk through your site. If this helped you calm down about the 2026 panic, give this video a like and subscribe for more real talk about navigating the special needs world. I'll see you next time.